Salapha kwaMoko, and I'm here with
Mafinyana.
Okay, sinaba no Bra Anda. So so far experience yakho njani le tournament?
What a good tournament.
Yeah.
We enjoyed ourselves. I was one of the players to play Rock of Ages. Yeah, so I'm here to represent a Rock of Ages. We had a good day, good tournament. Politics, but it's fine. We had a good tournament, but it's happy. I'm happy. Our team is always happy.
Yeah. So okay, I'm so going to be final. How do you feel? Nje base iphela nje le nduka and the excitement for his games zokugqibela. How do you feel?
Yeah, the best team must win.
Yeah.
The best team will always win.
Yeah.
We prepare as players. Yeah. I'm also a player.
Okay.
So we need to prepare and understand one thing, that there's always something that we do as players. So the best team must win.
Okay. Enkosi Prayer. Okay, Salapha kwaMoko, ndithetha nabani?
Thetha noThembela Miyosana.
Okay, sisi wami ngeyiphi team yakho wena apho ivotelayo?
Iteam yapha kwaMoko yi-Young Bears yaseTras number 2 apha eMagqumkhuleni.
Okay, so i-experience yakho noMoko so far injani?
Yo, inhle kakhulu ubhuti wami ngoba okoko sasilapha singadlala singabantu sidlala bengabantwana abancinci since yaqala i-first annual lapha kwaMoko. This is the 4th annual lapha yakwala. Oko sasilapha namhlanje ndiqala into yoba sizoyithatha le game eMagqumkhwebe.
Enkosi wami, I wish you all the best.
Nkosi, ndiyabulela Nkosi.
Nam ndingumzali we-Young Bears, ndingumama kaRanger, unumber 8 uMaqatha uSanelisiwe Qawe nguRanger. Ndiyabulela bazayifumana le 50,000 abantwana bethu because basebenze nzima.
Yes.
Ucoach wabo nguYoyo Daniel. Bazayifumana le 50,000 andithandabuzi George.
Enkosi mama. Okay, yabona Salapha kwaMoko. Siphethe inkunzi emva kwam. Ke thetha nami sisi wami ngubani?
Igama lam ndinguKamva Xekwa from Edimbaze Phala Park.
Okay, sidle noKamva apha umele inkunzi. So can you tell me about the game?
Okay, the game was a little bit scary, ne?
Yeah.
But then abantwana baka Santos, they did very good and I'm so happy for them.
Okay, so experience yakho noMoko so far injani?
It has been great because Utatumoko Ndiyambulela, he's been sponsoring us even as a skipper and Sinxibileyo. As you can see, my sister Tatumoko, yeah. Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Okay, thank you so much, ne? Yes. Okay, I'm here with
Usipho Tyanki.
Okay, sinaba noSipho Tyanki. Ndivile nje kuba kuthiwa uyi-lineman ematchini. How was the match for you?
Ngexesha bendiyilayimeni mna imatch ibi good. Mi-girls bezi-disciplined, kha bekho injuries, badlale kakuhle, discipline was there, yonke into ibe right.
Okay, so far injani experience yakho noMoko?
Experience yam nale ndawo iTatumoko shem ngutata right. He's being supportive kwijeni yethu, kwijeni yenkunzi, kwijeni yezi-teams around. Utatumoko uyasinikeza ikitsi na utasanto naxa ifuna ii-camps for amantombazane ebhoda, he's always available. Uba uyatatsha utatumoko like sabela msinya. Yeah, utata right. Yeah, Nkosi.
So wena ikhona item oyidlalelayo?
Ndidlalela inkunzi, Dimbaza Rugby Foundation. Yeah.
Okay. Enkosi. Okay, I'm here with
Liyabona Norman.
Okay, sinaba Norman. So can you tell me experience yakho noMoko injani so far?
It was pretty good. Like I enjoyed and stuff. The games were quite nice. I enjoyed it kakhulu, bro.
Okay. So when ikhona team oyidlalelayo?
Yeah, ikhona. It's Flying Eagles yaseDimbaza.
Okay. So umuntu angazange apha kule tournament ungathini kuye?
You bro, like you missed out on a lot of fun, like kakhulu. Like you can see the background, gcwele yonke into, bro. Like you can see, I don't know what to say, but you know, so exquisite.
Yeah. So how do you feel about the final, man?
The final, I wouldn't say much, but I just like looking forward into the best team to win, you know. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Salapha kwaMoko ndihle nabani?
Uhleli nolona wakwathu.
Okay, ndihle lapha nale Bram. So yam kanixaxela nami ukuba ngeyiphi team oyivotelayo apha?
Young Bears amabhere.
Ngomabhere. So how do you feel nje bayile final nje?
Yo, I will like you andiyazi because siyayithatha le tournament,
Yeah.
obvious.
Yeah.
Singamaqulu khweba sinobethwa abantu abafunda ngapha ezilokishini.
Nje uyinjani experience yakho noMoko so far?
It's my first time to come here.
Okay.
So yo, like I'm excited.
Yeah.
Because team yami here to final.
Yeah. I wish you the best ne. Okay, sicela bekoMoko siswamisela nabani?
Solethu Sauli.
Okay, can you tell me esi skipper sirepresenta ntoni?
Siyiskipa seLunika Homeboys supporters. It represents the brand and all the associated brands that help sponsor the team and put this event together.
Okay. Siswam iphelile final ngoku tournament has come to an end. How do you feel?
Obviously it's good to win, but the most important thing is investing in young players and in development in rural sport. And yeah, we came to take it this year. Last year was a bit difficult. We got knocked out, but this year we came knowing we were going to win. So it feels great, but it's exciting to see young talent being harvested in this province.
Thank you, sis.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sicela bekoMoko for the final game. Sicela bekoMoko and ngokuphelile game. Butwam ndithetha nabani?
Thetha noSiyavuya kwaMathanga eKampini eTsholomni.
Okay, ndithetha nobhuti nebra. Brian, can you tell about how do you feel about the match?
How do I feel about the match? The match has been mixed emotions from the goal because the Homeboys is a late kule match but ibiyinto besiyenza kakade throughout the tournament. So le game lena igame endivuyisayo but ke siye sezamva so yes nika ixhala kancinci.
Okay, so far tournament as a whole injani experience kuwe?
Experience about the tournament right yona as a tournament, but with poor officiating, if they could change that with the officials as the right as more ref, anything could go right. Otherwise, this is a bigger tournament opening opportunities for the younger guys.
Brian, yabulela kakhulu. Busudlalela liphi team?
Tidlalela Homeboys.
Hayi ke bayithathile Homeboys mas.
Yeah, usiyavuya kakhulu.
Yeah, Brian. Okay, sicela bekoMoko. Brian, ngithanda nabani?
Uthethana Bulela Magupeni.
Okay, which team do you represent?
I represent Lunika Homeboys from Xolong.
Okay, how do you feel young the tournament has come to the final and Beniki finals?
I know I was feeling as well because up and down emotions since last year we were in semi-finals. So we told ourselves we have to improve our selection last year and go all the way through to the finals. And London is again and I'm prepared to we won Ilenus Moko Easter tournament. So and I don't know how to explain the feelings actually. It's up and down. That's all I can say.
Yeah. Brian, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Brian.